Lesson 60, Circles, Elements, Perimeter, and Area. This is a review lesson. You already know about circles, but let's review some of these elements. First, remember that a circle is a shape that has a center, and all these points around it in the circumference are the same distance from the center. Now, when we measure or draw the distance between the center and one of those points, that is called the radius. Then, if we need to find the diameter is two radius in the same line. So here's one radius, and then there's the other one. Notice how they touch the center, and that would be the diameter. The definition for diameter is that it's a secant segment that passes through the center. And again, like we said, the diameter is two radii together. Then we have the circumference. Circumference is the distance around the circle, and we can find it by using the formula circumference, C, equals diameter times pi. Now remember that diameter is 2 radii, so we can also say 2r times pi. Now when we look at this pi, remember that pi, what it is the amount of times that the diameter fits into the circumference. So if I were to measure the diameter and put it here, it would cover 1, 2, 3, and a little bit more. And that is what pi is. Pi is 3,14. And that's about approximately, because it keeps going, but that's about how many times the diameter fits into the circumference. And that's where this formula comes from. The diameter, 3 times and a little bit more, is what we have for the circumference. Finally, we're going to find the area. And the area is just the surface inside of the circumference. And the formula we use to find the area is radius square pi. So make sure you memorize these formulas or write them in your formula sheet. In this example, it says, calculate the circumference and the area of a circle that has a radius 5. So all we have to do is write our formulas. So circumference is 2r pi, and area is radius square pi. Notice the 2 is in different positions and it does different things to the r. Then we substitute the value of r in each formula, which is 5. And for circumference, our answer is going to be 10 pi centimeters. That would be the exact answer. Now, if we want to find the approximate answer, we have to multiply the 10 times 3.14, which is the value of pi. And when we multiply that, we get 31.4 centimeters. For the area, we also have to multiply that, and that would be 5 squared is 25, 5 times 5, pi centimeters, but in this case it's square centimeters. And if we multiply the 25 times 3.14, the answer would be 78.5 square centimeters. And this would be the approximate answer. And that's it. Just a little bit of review of things you've seen in the past. All right, I'll see you in the next video.